Hey everyone. If you want to learn how to use LinkedIn to get jobs, build your network, and grow your career, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use LinkedIn in 2026. First, create your LinkedIn account by downloading the app or using the website. Sign up with your email and set up a professional profile. Next, set up your profile properly. Add your name, profile picture, headline, and your location clearly. Now write a strong headline and summary. Mention your job role, skills, and career goals in a clear and simple way. Then add your work experience and education. This helps employers understand your background and qualifications. Next, add your skills and certifications. Focus on skills that are relevant to your industry or job field. Start building your network by connecting with professionals, recruiters, and companies. This helps you grow faster in your career. Now go to the jobs section and start applying for jobs directly. Many jobs allow easy apply using your LinkedIn profile. So yeah, that's how you use LinkedIn in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you can build your profile, grow your network, and get more job opportunities. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.